Hey everyone! Today I'm sharing my top 5 free video editors that you should check out. If you want to learn more or try any of these editors, click the links in the description below. Let's get started. First up is DaVinci Resolve. This video editor is completely free and works on Windows, Mac, and even Linux, which is pretty rare for pro-level software. DaVinci Resolve is packed with advanced features you'd usually only find in expensive programs, like industry-leading color grading tools, professional audio editing, and a huge range of special effects. The interface might seem a bit overwhelming at first, especially if you're new to video editing, but don't worry, there are tons of free tutorials and guides online to help you get started. Next is HitFilm Express. This editor is designed with beginners in mind, but it still offers a lot of creative power. HitFilm Express is free for both Windows and Mac, and it comes loaded with cool effects, transitions, and even green screen, chroma key editing, which is perfect if you want to experiment with backgrounds or special effects. The layout is user-friendly, so you won't get lost, and if you ever want more advanced features, you can upgrade to the paid version. Number 3 is Shotcut. This editor is open source, which means it's completely free and supported by a community of users and developers. Shotcut works on all major platforms, Windows, Mac, and Linux. It's simple to use, but don't let that fool you. It still has a lot of features, like a wide variety of filters, transitions, and support for almost any video format you can think of. The drag-and-drop timeline makes editing straightforward, even if you're just starting out. Plus, since it's open source, you don't have to worry about watermarks or hidden fees. Fourth on the list is OpenShot. If you're looking for something really simple and easy to use, OpenShot is a fantastic choice. It's free, open source, and works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. OpenShot lets you add unlimited video and audio tracks, use built-in title templates, and apply fun effects and transitions to your clips. The interface is clean and intuitive, so you can jump right in and start editing without a steep learning curve. It's perfect for quick edits, basic projects, or anyone who just wants to put together a video without getting bogged down in complicated features. And finally, check out InVideo AI. This platform is becoming super popular for creating content for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and all kinds of social media videos. InVideo AI is web-based, so you don't need to download anything. Just log in from your browser on any device. It offers a huge library of templates, effects, stock footage, and music, making it easy to create professional-looking videos in minutes. What sets InVideo AI apart is its artificial intelligence features. You can generate scripts, automate editing, and even turn plain text into engaging videos with just a few clicks. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, InVideo AI streamlines the whole video making process, so you can focus on your ideas and get your content out there fast. So those are my top 5 free video editors. Let me know in the comments which one you want to try. If this video helped you, please hit that subscribe button, and if you want more quick tech tips and honest reviews, make sure you subscribe to the 90sec Tech newsletter. Links are in the description below. And don't miss my next video, Top 5 Free Tools to Speed Up Your PC Instantly. Click the link at the top right corner. Thanks for watching and happy editing.